Hi guys, we got our package from Japan Crate. Let's open it. Look what we got.
우리 원장님 들어가셨어요? 여기
Come
앉아
on.
계셨는데.
Show me. What's this? Ooh, this looks good. Truffle chocolate. Caramel milk.
안 들어오셨어요?
혹시 모르니까 화장실
게-
한번 가보셨어요?
네.
Where you get this, Bella?
Fell from the sky.
Okay. Ooh, what's this? Look at this, so cute. Oh, this Kit Kat. Kit Kat. We got some what looks like nails, and this is couldn't understand it. How much for this?
15 something or 10.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, this is $10 first time. Then it's like 15.
And you got Cheetos, Japanese Cheetos. What else? Chip Star. I don't know what. We got some blueberry candy.
Pepsi.
What's this? Ooh, I think I like this potato. And it's a Pepsi drink, Japanese Pepsi drink. Oh, I like this! Oh my god, it's so cute for my car. It's like a,
It's a good luck charm.
yes, I'm gonna put it in my car.
Squeak it.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Bella. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Where are you going? I like this one. This one I'm gonna take. You want this? You?
자고 2,000원.
And what else we got?
지아빠.
This is look like a brownie. Ooh, Sophie is gonna love this. Choco bar, Japan. That's it. That's all we got. I don't know how much she's paying this for every month.